But
I'll do it. Da, 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 da. Bonjour, madame.
We have 3 minutes. 3 minutes to board this.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Say hi to America.
Voilà, 4 pour votre sécurité, éloignez-vous de la bordure du quai s'il vous plaît. Le TGV 6106 à destination de Paris départ 8h05 en standard.
We have 3 minutes. 3 minutes. It's coming. It's on its way. It's on its way. Get ready for the craziest 3 minutes of your life. Are you ready? Are you ready? It's coming. Here comes the train.
Look at that bullet. Look at that thing. Look at that crazy looking thing. There it comes.
Look at it. This is a TGV.
TJV.
A
TJV.
double decker. 1, 2, 2 floors. 2 floors. This is exciting. Look at those cute little.
She said let people off.
This is box number 2.
No, it's watch out.
Oh, okay.
Avignon TGV, ici Avignon.
Here we go. We've got 3 minutes. We're going to Charlotte. Crazy. Oh my God, it's 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I know. It's happening. We're doing this. Every man for himself. Everyone's got to get on this train. We've got 3 minutes. Pick up your bag. Gotta pick your bag. Pick up my bag. Gotta pick up my bag. Got my bag. Get on the train. Get on the train.
Are you recording? Yes.
Hey y'all.
What up? Look at us. Get on this train. This video's already up to 2 minutes.
Oh God.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We have about 2 minutes left. Only 2 minutes left. And Sarah and I have not set foot on the train yet. We're still
Not yet. But I'm about to set a foot on
Sarah's
it.
about to be halfway.
There
Half in
went-
Paris. You're
there-
half to Paris. Look, I'm halfway. I'm halfway here. Yes, I'm there. Done.
What? Okay, then you can come in. We're going up.
Yay!
All right, you can
We're on
come
our way
in.
to Paris.
We're going up.
I'm going up.
Oh, I kind of want to sit up there.
I'm going up. Come on, Sarah. All right, we're going up. We're on the train.